In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a checklist in Microsoft Word. This is a simple and practical skill that you can use for daily tasks, project planning, to-do lists, or even printable worksheets. Whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac, the steps are easy to follow and require no special tools, just Microsoft Word. To begin, open a new Microsoft Word document. Starting with a blank page makes it easier to customize your checklist exactly the way you want. Once your document is open, decide where you want your checklist to appear and click to place your cursor there. You can type a title at the top if you'd like and adjust the font size or alignment to make it stand out. Now, it's time to create the checklist itself. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and locate the Bullets option. Click the small arrow next to it to open more choices. From the list of bullet styles, choose the checkbox option. As soon as you select it, Word will insert a clickable checkbox at the beginning of the line. Start typing your first task, then press Enter to automatically add another checkbox on the next line. If you want more control over the spacing or appearance, you can adjust the line spacing and font style from the Home tab. This helps keep your checklist clean and easy to read, especially if you plan to print it. You can also bold important items or change the font size to highlight priority tasks while keeping the overall layout simple and organized. For checklists that need to be interactive, especially when used digitally, you can enable the Developer tab. Once enabled, you can insert content control checkboxes that can be checked and unchecked with a click. This is especially useful for reusable templates, such as weekly planners or work tracking documents. After inserting these checkboxes, you can type your task descriptions next to each one as usual. To make your checklist reusable, consider saving the document as a template. This allows you to open a fresh copy anytime without recreating the checklist from scratch. You can also adjust margins, page size, or add borders to make your checklist look more professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean, functional checklist in Microsoft Word that you can use for both digital and printed purposes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.